Meaning of godown.
Go down.
Go down.
Go down.
Go down. The word godown refers to a type of warehouse or storage facility, typically used for storing goods and merchandise. It is often found in areas with heavy commercial activity, such as ports, and is commonly used in India and other parts of Asia. The term can also refer to a specific area or building within a larger warehouse complex. Godowns may be used for temporary or long-term storage, and may be owned by private businesses or the government. Overall, godowns play an important role in facilitating trade and commerce in many countries.